Hello and welcome to GlitterShinenails. I recently found that I had no autumn or winter glitters in my collection. I was absolutely shocked. So I went to 2 different glitter stores and I've purchased some and I thought I would share them with you. So in this video I'll be showing you my GlitterPlanet UK glitters along with some swatches as well. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So these are the glitters I purchased. There is 10 of them and they all look very beautiful, great for autumn and winter manis. I also finally purchased the stainless steel nail file. I've been looking at getting this since it came out. I also purchased 2 different grit refill packs. So each refill pack has 25 refills. I purchased the 150 and the 180 grit refills. There is also a 100 grit refill pack as well. I already have one of each on the stainless steel file, but this file is so thin. I've heard people say it's great for creating crisp sidewalls and free edges, and it's going to take some practice getting them fitted straight. Each refill is super thin and it just has a peel off backing, so it just sticks to the file. I have already used this for an infill. I did my nails the day before filming this video, and when I put the nail file next to my nail, you can see how well it slots against the sidewalls, and they are the straightest sidewalls I've ever created. I'm really happy I finally made the purchase. I also tried it around my cuticle area. Again, I could get really close, closer than any normal chunky nail file. The 25 refills are going to last me a long time. Really happy with this. So on to the glitters, and I'll be showing you each one along with it over 2 different base colours. I've used gel polish as the base, encapsulated using a builder gel in a bottle and then top coated. I'll begin with a high maintenance, which is a teal / Tiffany metallic blue multi-cut glitter. I love working with glitters like these. They're so pretty. High maintenance will work all year round. I have nothing like this in my collection. It definitely has a mermaid vibe to it. So I've applied this over the top of a light green and a teal greeny blue base colour. It works over both of them really well. In the top corner you will see a picture of them as well, but high maintenance is a very easy glitter to use. I do want to try some other colours alongside it as well. Next we have Mr. Frost, and this is a metallic blue and iridescent mix. That's what the website says. It's the same type of glitter as high maintenance, just a different colour. For me, this has snowflake manis written all over it, but again, it'll work all year round. I have quite a few blue gel polish colours, so definitely want to see what they look like over them. So I've applied Mr. Frost over the top of a dark teal blue colour and a light blue, and again they both work really well. I definitely prefer it over the darker blue for some reason. I picked colours which I felt went best with the glitter. Next we have metallic mauve, and this is a chunky mix. It's a gorgeous mauve colour. I don't usually work with chunky glitters just because they're harder to work with using gel. However, they have worked really well. I was impressed that they encapsulated so well in the builder gel in a bottle. They are mainly hex shape in this mix as well. So I've applied the glitter to the bases of a mauve and a plum purple, and I love them both. The pieces in the glitter really do catch the light, as you'll see, but a really beautiful glitter. I really want to make a mani using this glitter. It is stunning. Next we have Ice Ice Baby, and this is a metallic blue multi-cut mix. This glitter is a bit like Mr. Frost, but the mix is slightly bigger bits and slightly stronger in colour. Again, another very pretty glitter. Great colour for winter months, for say snowflake manis, but also for summer as well, for them beach nails. I really couldn't believe I didn't have any glitters for autumn or winter. So with Ice Ice Baby, I've applied this over the top of a teal blue and a navy blue. Both swatches shows the glitter looks very different over each colour. It will be interesting to see this over other blues as well. Next we have Autumn Spice, and again this is another chunky cut glitter, and it's absolutely perfect for autumn. It's that rich coppery brown colour. It's just stunning, and I don't usually work with browns, so this is something very new to me. It could also appear in a mani very soon. Still not sure though. Autumn Spice will be a very popular colour. I'm seeing colours like this all the time on my Instagram page. So with Autumn Spice, I've applied this over a mustard yellow colour and a medium brown colour, and these are both two new gel polishes in my collection. But with Autumn Spice, it works really well over both of them. Really is pretty. Next we have Cherry Bomb, which is a multi-cut glitter in the gorgeous colour Cherry Pink, and it's holographic. This I feel is another must-have colour. It's again perfect for autumn and the winter months. And then adding the hollow, it is just beautiful. I do feel these glitters look better on the nail than in the bag sometimes, which is why I open the bags, but Cherry Bomb will look amazing in any mani. So I've applied Cherry Bomb over a mauve and a burgundy, and it looks good over the mauve, but that burgundy is just perfect with Cherry Bomb. The hollow really is coming through. What a stunning glitter. Next we have Let's Have It, and it's the first of 3 colour shifting glitters. Let's Have It shifts from a greeny grey to a purple, and it's also a metallic multi-hex mix. It is quite chunky. Now with these colour shifting glitters, I did find it difficult to get the right colour base. These are my first colour shifting glitters, so it will take some time, but they are absolutely stunning. I do need to have a play around with colour combinations though. Now I've applied Let's Have It over the top of a grey and a lilac colour. I feel this doesn't really work as well as I'd hoped. I prefer the lilac over the grey, but it is a gorgeous glitter though. Next we have Vanity, and this is another colour shifting glitter, and this shifts from a goldy green to a purple in the packet. You can really see the shift in the colour again. This is a metallic multi-hex mix. It really is very pretty. I really had trouble getting the right colour base for Vanity though, and you'll see this is one of the glitters I really need to spend some more time finding the right colour, but again it's a stunning glitter. So I've applied Vanity over a bright purple and a burgundy, and they both don't work well. It really shows the gold side more than anything else. But when you move it about, you can see it colour shifting slightly. Really need to spend some time with this one. Next we have Blueberry Poison, again another multi-hex mix colour shifting glitter, which goes from blue to purple. And in the packet you can again see the colour shifting. This is my favourite out of the 3 I brought. All of the chunky mixes have been really easy to use, and as I said earlier, I'm not one for using them, but I definitely want to create some manis using them, as Blueberry Poison is just gorgeous. So I've applied Blueberry Poison over the top of a teal blue and a lilac. I'm a little unsure about it over the teal if I'm 100% honest, but it definitely works over the lilac. Again, very pretty glitter. And then finally we have Aquaman, and this is a multi-mix hex glitter which has blues, turquoise, blacks and hollow pieces. It's again another glitter which is a chunky mix, and the light really catches some of the glitter pieces along with the hollow. I'm not sure why I purchased this one other than it's absolutely gorgeous. I love GlitterPlanet UK for their glitters. I can't wait to create some manis using them. So I've applied Aquaman over the top of a light blue and a dark teal. It works beautifully over both of them. You can really see the hollow, and the light catching the glitter is stunning. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my GlitterPlanet UK haul and swatches. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.